The topic of this video is substitution, which basically means replacing letters with numbers. Like you might replace one player with another player in a game of sport, like football or netball, we're replacing letters with numbers. We have to know some meanings first though. A plus B, well we can't do anything with that, so that stays as A plus B. Likewise for A minus B, that stays as A minus B. AB means A times B. We don't write the times down, probably because mathematicians are quite lazy. But AB means A times B. 5A then means 5 times A. A squared, well, if you think about our square numbers, if we were doing 5 squared, we'd do 5 times 5. So A squared must be A times A. And then if we have cubed, that would mean B times B times B. But we've got the 3 in front, so that's 3 lots of B times B times B. Remember to do the cubed first before you do the multiplying by 3. So let's have a look at level 5. Substitution crops up at all sorts of levels. Basically, level 5 and level 6 will be used for later on levels. So A is 7, B is 3, C is 5. A plus B plus C, well A plus B we know we can't do anything with, so they just get written down. 7 plus 3 plus 5, which will give us 15. Dead easy. AB, we've already seen AB is written as A times B, so if A is 7 and B is 3, 7 times 3 would be 21, so AB would be 21. C squared, well we know A squared is A times A, so C squared must be C times C. In this case C is 5, so that's 5 times 5 is 25. So C squared is 25. And finally, a little bit more tricky, we've got 2 lots of A squared plus 3 lots of B. But like I mentioned up here, when you have a power and something else multiplying, we do the power first. So this is A times A, so that's 7 times 7, which is getting multiplied by 2. Adding on, because adding stays separate, 3 lots of B, because like 5A was 5 times A, 3B is 3 times B. So B is 3, 3 times 3. Must remember our big maths, we always do addition last. So 2 times 7 times 7, well 7 squared is 49, times 2 is 98. Add 3 times 3 is 9, so 98 plus 9 is 107. So 2A squared plus 3B is equal to 107. Level 6, we'll get negatives involved. The formula themselves might not be any more tricky, but because of the negative sign it does make them harder. So let's look at this first one. 3 lots of y squared take away 2 lots of x. Well, y squared is minus 2 squared, so that's minus 2 times minus 2, and we're multiplying that by 3. And that's take away 2 lots of x, well that's 2 lots of 5. Minus 2 times minus 2, and minus times a minus is positive, so 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. Take away 2 lots of 5 is 10, so the answer to that is 2. So 3y squared take away 2x is equal to 2. And finally the bottom one, 2x plus 3y over 6x minus 4y. 2x, well that's 2 times 5, plus, because we keep that separate, 3 lots of y, 3 lots of minus 2, over 6 lots of x, that's 6 times 5, take away 4 lots of y, 4 times minus 2. Remember we do add and take last. 2 5s are 10, add 3 lots of minus 2, well a positive number times a negative is a negative, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30, take away 4 lots of minus 2, positive times negative is negative again, 4 times 2 is 8. Now we've got some signs together. When the signs are different, it basically means take away, so that means 10 take 6. When two signs are the same, that means add, so 30 add 8. So our final answer, and I'll put it here because I'm running out of space, 10 take 6 is 4, over 30 plus 8 is 38. But we can cancel this down, divide by 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, 38 divided by 2 is 19. So 2x plus 3y, all divided by 6x minus 4y, is equal to 2/19.